Children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. So as you all know that we are doing in English literature today chapter number 4, the monkey band. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video of today's assignment, in which first of all I have explained you the whole story in a very short manner, okay, just for the recap. And then I have explained you one notebook exercise, which was who said the following. Now this second part video, in this second part video, children, I will be explaining you the question answers, and then we will do the last exercise, that is make sentences. So by this we will complete our chapter number 4, the monkey band, by today. Okay, so I hope you all are ready, children, and I hope you all have watched my first video very carefully and completed the first exercise which I have given you in your note for your notebooks. Now again take out your English literature notebook, children, and then turn to a new page, and we will do our next exercise, which is of question answers. Okay, so first of all, children, before starting with question answers, once again I will go back to the first exercise, and from there I will start telling you that what all we have done till now. So if anybody who has missed all these anything like any exercise, if you have missed, then you can do it. Is that clear? So I am giving you a recap that what we all have done for in this chapter. So first exercise which we did on 5th of July was of hard words, and these hard words you have to write in your English practice notebook. Is that clear? Then there were 12 hard words. Then we came on 6th of July and we have completed the word meanings. That is the first exercise for English literature notebook. Okay, this word meaning exercise we have done in English literature notebook. So there were 8 word meanings. We all have written it. Then I hope you also have written it, children. Then on 12th of July we have started with our next second exercise, which was of fill in the blanks, and in this exercise we have done 5 fill in the blanks, and I hope you also have done all these 5 fill in the blanks in your notebooks. And then on 13th, that was yesterday, so I hope you all have completed this exercise of true or false, and there were 6 true and there were 5 true false which I have given you. And now today, in today's assignment, first exercise which I gave you was of D part, that is who said the following. Okay, there are 4 sentences which you have to write with answers, and now we are going to do again the fifth exercise, that is part E. Okay, which is of question answers, and last we will do F part, 6th part, which will be of make sentences. Is that clear? So are you all ready, children? Very good. So I have written all the question with its answer with the answers, children. So what will I do? I will read the question, explain you the question, and then I will read the whole answer, and then I will explain it to you. Is that clear? So let's get started. Listen to each and every word very, very carefully. Ready, all of you? Very good. So first of all, again you will write down today's date on a new page to show that when we have completed this work. Okay, so you will write down today's date, that is 14/7/2021, and in the first line you will give the heading of part E, that is question and answers. We are doing question and answers. Clear? So coming to the first question, question number 1. Make sure while I am explaining you through these videos, in the videos you will also when you will listen to me very carefully, you have to not only listen, you also have to watch it very carefully, that how I have written, in which manner I have written the question, and in which manner I have written the answer. So make sure that question number 1 will be written before the in the margin line, and after the margin line you will write the whole question. Okay, question number 1, that is Q1, and the first question is, as you can see, what was Mowgli doing when he met Baloo? Mowgli जब बलू से मिला तो वो उस टाइम पे क्या कर रहा था? What was he doing? Okay, so answer is Mowgli was singing a merry song when he met Baloo. You all remember the story, as I have explained you in every day. I am explaining you the whole story. So in this, according to this story, you all know that Mowgli was walking through the jungle in the bright afternoon, and bright morning, and he was singing a merry song where he met his friend Baloo the bear. Okay, so Mowgli was singing a merry song when he met Baloo. वो अपने फ्रेंड बलू से मिला था जब वो सॉन्ग गाता हुआ जा रहा था. Is that clear? So I hope first question is very clear to you all. Now coming to the second question, that is who played music for Mowgli and Baloo. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि मोगली और बलू के लिए जो म्यूजिक प्ले किया गया था वो किसने प्ले किया था. सो यू ऑल नो, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टोरी, द म्यूजिक वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द मंकीज. सारे मंकीज ने मिलके एक म्यूजिक बैंड प्रिपेयर किया था. ओके, सो योर आंसर विल बी द मंकीज प्लेड music for Mowgli and Baloo. You just, in this answer you just have to remember the word the monkeys. Okay, baki you will write from the question itself, played music for Mowgli and Baloo. Is that clear? Now remember one thing children, when you are writing a question, so you will put a question mark, and when you are writing its answer, then you will put a full stop at the end. Okay, so when you will complete the answer, at the end you will put a full stop. Is that clear? So who played music for Mowgli and Baloo? The monkeys played music for Mowgli and Baloo. Clear to you all? Now coming to the next page, our next question, question number 3. How did they make music? Now how did the monkeys make music? They all used natural थिंग्स. ओके, जो भी कुछ नेचर की चीज़ें थी उन लोगों ने उन्हीं चीज़ों को यूज़ करके और एक बैंड प्रिपेयर किया था, म्यूजिक प्रिपेयर किया था. ओके, बिकॉज दे वर नॉट हैविंग एनी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, दे वर नॉट हैविंग गिटार्स, पियानोज और एनी काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, सो दे जस्ट इन्वेंटेड म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स फ्रॉम द नेचुरल थिंग्स. ओके, सो हाउ डिड दे मेक म्यूजिक? द मंकीज यूज द hollow trunk of an oak tree. सबसे पहले you all know the monkeys ने क्या use किया था? Hollow trunk of an oak tree. Then dried gourds and vines of branches to make music. Is that clear to you all? You all know children that first of all the monkeys used a hollow trunk of an oak tree, and they hit their hands on the oak tree to make the music. Okay, then they used dried gourds as rattles. They shook the dried gourds, and they played the sound of rattles, and then after that in the last they use they tied the vines of a few branches. Okay, and they used these tied vines of branches as guitars. Okay, they started playing with them as guitars. Okay, so this is how they used all these natural things to make the music. Is that clear? So your answer, the monkeys used the hollow trunk of an oak tree, dried gourds and vines of branches to make music. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth question, how did the monkeys make guitars? अब monkeys ने guitar कैसे बनाया था? So here very easy, you all know that they tied some vines of branches, and they played with them like guitars. Okay, so your answer will be the monkeys tied vines of branches and started playing like guitars. Is that clear? उन्होंने जो branches की जो vines होती हैं, पतली पतली vines होती हैं जो strings की तरह होती है, उनको एक साथ बांधा और फिर उसमें से उसको गिटार के स्ट्रिंग्स की तरह प्ले करना शुरू कर दिया. सो दे फ्रॉम द वाइन्स दे मेड गिटार्स. ओके, so the monkeys tied vines of branches and started playing like guitars. So children, I hope you all have understood the exercise, the whole exercise of question answers. I hope you all are now You all have now understood how you will write these question answers and how they are easy. Okay, once again I'm repeating all the question answers. Listen to me carefully. Question number 1, what was Mowgli doing when he met Baloo? Answer is Mowgli was singing a merry song when he met Baloo. Okay, then question number 2, who played music for Mowgli and Baloo? Answer is the monkeys played music for Mowgli and Baloo. Then coming to the third question, how did they make music? Answer is the monkeys used the hollow trunk of an oak tree, dried gourds and vines of branches to make music. Is that clear? Then next is fourth question, how did the monkeys make guitars? The monkeys tied vines of branches and started playing like guitars. So that is all. Very easy question answers, and when you have understood the story very carefully, very nicely, if you have understood it, then it will be very easy for you all to give the answers of all the question answers. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. Now coming to our last exercise, that is exercise F, sixth exercise, in which we will be doing make sentences. So in all I have given you 4 words, and from all these 4 words you will make sentences. Is that clear? Now make sure children, the sentences which I will be writing here, if you want to write these same sentences, you can write these same sentences, and if you want to change, then you can change them also, but make sure that the words which are given here should be there in your sentence. आपके ये जो वर्ड्स दिए हैं वो आपके सेंटेंस में होने चाहिए और करेक्ट सेंटेंस होना चाहिए, मीनिंग सेंटेंस का बिल्कुल करेक्ट होना चाहिए. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू विल मेक दीज सेंटेंसेस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज म्यूजिक. सो फ्रॉम द वर्ड म्यूजिक, व्हाट सेंटेंस you can make? You can make we love to listen music. MUSIC, music. Easy sentence. We love to listen music. हमें म्यूजिक सुनना सबको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत पसंद है. And what we will do, we will underline the word music. Is that clear to you all? Coming to the next word, that is laughed. LAUGHED, laughed. That means hasna. Okay, so from this word you can make a sentence. Whatever sentence you want to make, you can make, but it should be correct and it should contain the same word also. I am writing here the the children, CHILDREN, children laughed, LAUGHED, laughed at the joke, JOKE, joke. Okay, and then we will underline the word laughed. Is that clear? जो वर्ड हमें दिया जाएगा उसको हम अंडरलाइन जरूर करेंगे, दिखाने के लिए कि इस सेंटेंस में वो वर्ड कहाँ पर आया है. Is that clear? Now coming to the third word, that is band. Okay, so here we can write the monkeys prepared, PREPARED, prepared the band, 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 and we will underline the word band. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. The monkeys prepared the band. Now coming to the last sentence, that last word, that is dance. So from the word dance we will form a new sentence. Okay, so my sister, SISTER, sister loves, LOVES, loves to dance, 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 and we will underline this word. So I hope you all have understood. And now children, once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. Number 1 is word is music. So the answer sentence will be we love to listen music. Okay, then second is laughed. Sentences, the children laughed at the joke. Third word is band, and the sentence is the monkeys prepared the band. Okay, and the fourth word, last word is dance. So the sentence is my sister loves to done. So we all have completed these 4 sentences. So I hope children you will all complete these 3 exercises which are given to you today, and I hope you will complete it by today itself. Make sure that you listen all the videos very carefully, and please children mark your attendance in the comment box so that we can mark your attendance. My next video tomorrow we will start with our English language exercise. So before that I want you all to complete this work by today itself. So tomorrow we will be starting a new subject. So make sure that you complete all your work on time. So till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.